guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, again. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys, as you can see from the title, I'll be teaching you guys how to ride a bike. Like the steps on riding a bike. This is basically like just a beginner tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. And don't mind that this bike looks taller than not that. Let me just like give you a rundown of the parts of the bike. Now this is the brake. This brake controls the front tire. This brake controls the back tire. These are the handles. This is the tire, obviously, the spokes. Then this is the pedal that you use to like control the bike, pedaling forward or backwards. So this is the seat like this, you know. And this is what you do to stop the bike. I hope you can see. In propelling the bike forward, make sure your pedal, because the pedal moves like clockwise. If clockwise, one clockwise, yeah. But it moves that way. And if you want to make sure it goes to the front, it has to be like this. So when you press it this way, it goes forward. So if your leg is like this and you press like this, you're going forward like that. If you want to go harder, you just like move it. But if you want to go forward, you propel this, this to the front and you go. So let me just demonstrate that. So you want to go forward, you're going like this. Great sense of balance, as I said. Like this. Right? Yeah. Myself in the pole.
See the way you are jumping out of the bike as if you are jumping out of a trailer.
Disclaimer. Is it you have been jumping down on that bike? It's not normal. But because that God no blessed me vertical. That is why I'm doing. Moreover, like maybe it's just like my confidence that has not like reached that point. I feel if I sit on the bike till I stop it, I feel I'll fall. So yeah, that's one more thing you need to have. Like you need to be confident in your skills, so that at least that would like push whatever insecurities or whatnot that you may have with riding a bike. Let me just tell you guys, let me be honest with you guys. In riding a bike, you can't really learn to ride a bike in one day. I actually did not learn to ride one day. I had my big dad was one that like was the first person to teach me how to ride a bike. He taught me once, although some people might require more than that one time to actually learn, but then he like helped me, guided me just once. So you need like practice over and over again to like learn to ride the bike and all of that. But then this is just like basic tutorial. Have a great sense of balance, be confident in your skill. Don't make too much sharp turns because it will upset the whole balance and you will fall down. Don't brake too hard because it will affect the whole process. If you are riding a bike and you're going and the whole thing is being steady, if you brake too hard, it will stop obviously and you fall. What am I looking at instead of looking at the camera? To stop and that will be it, you fall down. So these are just tips that you might need to have or to know when you're riding a bike. So with that, we've come to the end of the video. Hope you like it. Indeed, these are coming in. Yeah, out for me, go for it. So if you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you are new, turn on your post notifications if you're one of the first people to know when a new video goes up. I hope you can hear because people are just vexing me at this point. Yeah, so I think that's all. Subscribe to my channel. What's doing this now? So that's my channel. My head used to be big when you bring the camera close to my head. So yeah, that's my channel. Like the video and leave a comment on whatever it is you feel you need to know about riding a bike. and I hope you've subscribed. So this is me giving you like 3 seconds to subscribe. No, 5. Let me say 5 because I'm a nice person. 1. So hopefully you'll have subscribed. Else we'll jump for 3. So anyways, thanks for watching and see you in my next video.